Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the earbuds and phone. This speeds everything up. First, make sure the Airdopes are charged and Bluetooth on your phone is active. Next, pair the earbuds. Open Bluetooth settings and select Boat Airdopes 161. If not present, open the Boat app. Once paired, keep both earbuds in your ears. This ensures stereo and game mode controls register correctly. Now move immediately to the settings where latency options live. Don't skip this step. You now switch gaming mode on. If you have the Boat app, open device settings, find gaming mode, and toggle it on. This engages low latency codec. If you don't use the app, perform the manual method. Long press both touch sensors simultaneously for 2-3 seconds until you hear the gaming mode prompt. The earbuds will reduce processing for minimal delay. Once activated, play a short video or game to confirm audio sync. This verifies the mode is active and effective. You finish by verifying performance and handling problems quickly. After enabling gaming mode, test with live gameplay. Make sure latency feels minimal and both channels are present. If you notice lag or dropouts, restart the earbuds and your phone, then repair. Often that clears residual connection issues. If problems persist, update firmware through the Boat app and maintain some distance from Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth devices to cut interference. This one troubleshooting tip fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.